Welcome. Is your mobile's camera quality too bad? Or would you like to take a more stylish picture at your mobile photos? Are you looking for a perfect lens for your mobile? Today I'm going to show you 5 best mobile lenses for your mobile phone. Using the lenses you can take photos of different styles from your mobile. The price is low, and the goods are very good at low prices. In this video today I will going to show you some best mobile lens whose price under in $2. So watch the video at the end, and stay with us. Let's go. Number 1. Universal 3-in-1 mobile phone lenses for iPhone 7, 6s Plus, Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung fisheye lens wide-angle macro camera lens. Number 2. Universal mobile phone 19x macro lens for iPhone 7, 6s Plus, Xiaomi, Huawei, Samsung 235-degree fisheye camera lens phone lenses. Number 3. Universal wide-angle zoom macro lenses mobile phone lens fisheye camera fisheye for iPhone 6, 7, 8x smartphone lens microscope. Number 4. Yeti Universal 3-in-1 wide-angle macro fisheye lens camera mobile phone lenses fisheye lens for iPhone smartphone microscope. Number 5. Wide-angle macro lenses universal mobile phone photography cell phone camera lens for iPhone X8, 7, 6s Samsung lens microscope. So no longer late, click the link given in the description box now. Click the link here in description. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel.